Hey, it's Lizelle. If you've been Googling what is digital marketing, but all you are finding are complicated, boring definitions, don't worry. I'm going to explain exactly what digital marketing is, how it works, and how beginners like you are earning an income online. So grab a coffee and let's make this easy. I discovered digital marketing not too long ago when I was looking for a way to supplement my income. I was already working full-time, and as a mom of 3, I was already busy. So I was looking for something that wasn't going to take a lot of time, but that was going to bring in a decent income. So when I discovered that you could make money online with digital and affiliate marketing in 2 hours a day, you can just imagine. I was like, sign me up. I have to be honest with you, I was scared when I got started. I didn't really have money, but I was tired of that being my story. Instead of saying, I don't have money to start anything, I just wanted to follow something that was already working instead of reinventing the wheel. And that's the best, right? Success leaves clues. It's much easier and much faster to learn from someone that already did it. I made over $300,000 in my first 20 months online as a stay-at-home mom working a couple of hours a day from home. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. Digital marketing is connecting people with what they are already searching for online. Think about it. When you scroll through TikTok and people are recommending a product, that is digital marketing. When you Google best side hustle of 2025, and you click on a blog post with affiliate links, that is digital marketing. When you see an ad on Instagram and you buy something, again, digital marketing. It's not scary at all. It's actually just sharing products and services online using the internet to do that. Now, here's why it's powerful. The internet never sleeps, so your store never has to sleep. It's literally working online for you 24/7. You can reach thousands of people from the comfort of your own home. And because it's digital product, it means no stock, no shipping. Instead of trading your time for money, you can actually make money while you're doing life, spending time with your kids, going on holiday, making dinner, watching your kids' sport games while your systems are working online for you 24/7. And that's why digital marketing has created literally more freedom than anything else out there for normal people like us, 9-to-5ers, moms, and everybody that's looking for a more flexible way of work. Okay, so how do you actually start? Number one is you need to pick a product. You actually don't even have to create your own. There are so many products out there that you can get the resale rights to that you can resell immediately. Number two, set up your system. This is the place where people come to learn more and buy from you. And step three, share it online. This is where people are spending most of their time. They're scrolling TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. That's where they are hanging out. And if you share it every day, that's where your perfect customer is going to see it. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Digital marketing is just sharing products and services to the right people that are already looking for them, so that when they see it, they click on it and they buy. And here's the exciting part. In 2025, it's never been easier to start. We have AI tools to write our posts. We have done for you digital systems so that we can just plug in and go. Everything already set up for us, and communities that are there to help us and guide us. If you've been sitting on the fence, now is the time to start. So now you know, digital marketing is not scary. You don't need a fancy degree or need to have any tech experience. Literally anyone can get started. If you want to see the exact system I use to run my business, which is a complete done-for-you system that anyone can just plug in and get started, I'll drop the link below. And make sure you follow me for more tips.